Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of America's most beloved dishes, fried catfish. Did you know there are over 30 different species of catfish in the United States? The most popular for frying is the channel catfish, thanks to its mild and sweet flavor. Regional delicacy. Fried catfish isn't just any ordinary dish, it's a regional delicacy in the southern United States. From Mississippi to Louisiana, catfish holds a special place in the hearts and plates of many. Sustainable choice. When it comes to sustainability, catfish is a great choice. It's often farm-raised in the U.S., which means you can enjoy your fried catfish guilt-free. Crispy cornmeal coating. The secret to that perfect crispy coating on fried catfish? Cornmeal. It's not just delicious, it's the key to that unforgettable texture. Fried catfish has a unique flavor, often described as sweet, mild, and slightly earthy. The flavor is not too fishy, making it perfect for those who are new to seafood. Catfish noodling. Ever heard of catfish noodling? It's a traditional method of catching catfish by hand, where fishermen reach into underwater holes to pull out these slippery creatures. It's not for the faint of heart. The king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley, was a huge fan of fried catfish. It's said that he loved it so much, he even had a catfish-shaped pond at Graceland. National Catfish Day. Did you know that the United States has a National Catfish Day? It's celebrated on June 25th, so mark your calendars to pay homage to this delicious dish. Versatile dish. Fried catfish is incredibly versatile. Whether you enjoy it as fillets, nuggets, or in a po' boy sandwich, there's no shortage of ways to savor this southern delight. Health benefits. Believe it or not, fried catfish can be part of a healthy diet. It's a good source of protein, and it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Catfish whiskers. Those whisker-like appendages on a catfish's face are called barbels. They're actually a sensory organ that helps the catfish navigate in dark and muddy waters, making them formidable hunters. Fried catfish has a rich history in America. Catfish farming pioneer. The father of catfish farming in the United States is a man named Willard R. Doyle. He's credited with pioneering the commercial farming of catfish in the 1960s, forever changing the catfish industry. World's largest catfish statue? Ever wanted to see a gigantic catfish? Visit the town of Selkirk, Manitoba, Canada, where you'll find a 25-foot tall statue of a catfish, recognized as the world's largest catfish sculpture. Catfish record holder. The world record for the largest catfish ever caught goes to a Mekong giant catfish in Thailand, weighing in at a staggering 646 pounds. That's one big catfish. Catfish skin. Catfish skin isn't just discarded. In some culinary traditions, it's used to make a crispy snack, much like fish skin chips, and it's surprisingly tasty. Catfish taste buds. Catfish have an extraordinary number of taste buds, even more than humans. This heightened sense of taste makes them selective eaters and contributes to their unique flavor. Catfish caviar. Catfish aren't just famous for their fillets. They also produce caviar, often referred to as southern caviar. It's a lesser-known delicacy, but some catfish caviar is highly sought after. Catfish records in different states. Multiple U.S. states have their own records for the largest catfish caught, creating friendly competition among anglers. Catfish superstitions. In some cultures, catfish are considered a symbol of luck and protection. People wear catfish-shaped charms or amulets to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. There you have it, folks. 5 unknown facts about the beloved American classic, fried catfish. So, next time you enjoy a plate of crispy fried catfish, remember the rich heritage and incredible journey of this iconic Southern comfort food. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious food adventures and interesting facts.